Hello everyone. A warm greetings from Manipal Academy of Higher Education, an institution of eminence deemed to be university. Paperless examination using ExamPad, a unique practice of evaluation system implemented in Manipal Academy of Higher Education across all the programs offered in all its campuses, is one of its kind. Myself, Dr. Srijit Govindan, Deputy Registrar Evaluation, presenting its features in front of you. Any procedure that is accepted or prescribed as being correct or most effective is considered as the best practice. Let me begin my presentation by explaining why EPad-based examination system is a best practice. MAHE is one of the very few universities in the world who have adopted this innovative examination system. Since the examination is written on an electronic platform, all the activities are recorded and made available as logs at the back end. This ensures transparency, authenticity, and credibility of our examination process. At MAHE, we follow outcome-based education system. One of the important steps in ensuring the success of OBE implementation is the attainment analysis of course outcomes in every course. In the EPad question authoring portal, teachers can tag each question to their respective course outcomes as defined in their curriculum. And after the EPad valuation, we can generate a data sheet containing question-wise marks obtained by each student along with the respective course outcomes. This facilitates the course outcome attainment analysis activity. The next highlight of this best practice is its eco-friendliness. During the period between 2016 and 2025, more than 25 lakh examinations were conducted using EPads in MAHE, which helped us to save approximately 5 crore paper sheets. According to the calculations provided by Conservatory Organization, we would have saved roughly around 4,500 trees during that period. So, the EPad system has indirectly contributed in protecting the nature, which definitely qualifies it as the best practice. The fourth highlight of EPad-based system is the easiness in data storage and retrieval process. Since all the answer scripts and question papers are available in soft forms, there are only minimal risk of data losing. We don't require a very large space to store our thousands of bundles of answer sheets and question papers. More than anything, the papers are readily available at the click of a button during the retrieval process. I can confidently say that all these 4 highlights justify why the EPad-based examination system is a best practice. Let us see some of the developmental features of EPad system. EPad is nothing but a tablet PC having a special screen on which we can scribble seamlessly using a stylus. The feeling of writing is as good as on a paper. Many other features like biometric authentication of the candidates, drawing tools, availability of ruled and unruled surfaces, etc. are parts of the EPad. All the documents in the EPad cloud space are end-to-end encrypted and will get decrypted only for the assigned users. Here the students get the question papers during the examination on the dot time during their EPad, and the examiners get the answer sheets on their screen after logging in using their credentials. So no issue of data misuse. Similarly, this electronic documents reduces the risk involved while transporting the question papers to multiple campuses and return the answer scripts back to the concerned officers. EPad system also allows the question-wise distributed evaluation. If one examiner is strict or even liberal, the effect is passed on to the entire batch. This on-screen marking facility reduces the possibility of totaling errors and missing the evaluation of certain scripts as well. This helps to speed up the examination activities at the institution or university offices. Availability of the question-wise data makes the outcome or competency attainment analysis possible in EPad-based examination system. Before starting the examination, students are asked to calibrate their stylus using the application available on the EPads. that helps to adjust the angle at which they hold the stylus, the pressure they apply while writing, etc. This helps them to follow their regular handwriting styles. Students will be given sufficient training on writing on EPads immediately after they join the college. Training on question paper authoring and on-screen marking will be provided even to all the faculty members. The main advantage of on-screen marking is the possibility of simultaneous evaluation of same script by multiple evaluators. Teachers can enter the marks as well as the comments, if any, on the screen, which can be viewed later by students on request. This system will take care of the totaling, which eliminates the possibility of totaling errors. If anyone misses to evaluate any particular script or a question, the system will alert the evaluator and ensure completeness of the job assigned. Finally, the institute can generate a consolidated mark sheet straight away for result processing activities. At MAHE, examinations were conducted in the traditional way using pen and paper until we introduced EPad system. Invigilators used to verify the hall ticket of the candidates, distribute question papers and answer sheets and additional sheets whenever there is a request, and finally they used to collect the written answer scripts back, sort it, pack it and seal it before they dispatch the same to the concerned officers confidentially. The starting time and end time used to be very crucial, and lot of complex activities used to happen at that time. The introduction of EPad system eliminated all those hassles and made the examination process a peaceful and calm activity. Here, multiple evaluators correct the same paper simultaneously in an error-free manner, which helped them to finish their job much earlier than before. Similarly, at the institution or university, the result processing becomes faster and simple process. At the university, we are able to generate various types of reports as and when the need arises to improve the transparency, authenticity, and the quality of the assessment practices. This graph shows the number of examinations conducted every year using EPad since its inception. During 2020-2021 period, the numbers were less as many exams were conducted in online mode due to pandemic. There are no negative feedback from any stakeholders so far, and all of them are very happy and getting adjusted to this new system very fast. This is evidenced here in these student comments. Here you can see the glimpses of EPad answer scripts. This is a descriptive paper, a black and white diagram, few color drawings, and a video clipping where you can see students writing examination in one of our institutions using EPad. This particular clipping shows a close-up view of a student writing EPad-based examination. You can make out how seamlessly the student is writing on the EPad. Now at MAHE, EPad system is an integral part of our assessment framework or analysis framework. EPad gets data through our student lifecycle management, especially the data related to the student details. And from the EPad system, the marks and related information will flow to the analysis software seamlessly. This is the item analysis report generated through EPad and the competency attainment analysis using another third-party support. All these things were possible just because of the availability of question-wise marks in the EPad, which are tagged directly to the respective competencies and intended outcomes. I would like to conclude my presentation by summarizing certain highlights of the EPad-based examination system. The biometric-based login for examinees and domain-based login for examiners make the system more authentic. The dispatch of encrypted question papers electronically through EPad clouds improves our operational efficiency. The synchronous question paper delivery and answer sheet submission by all the students on dot time in EPads ensure transparency and unbiasedness, and question-wise distributed valuation mitigates the subjectivity in evaluation. The question paper analysis and student performance analysis help us to improve our teaching learning process continuously. I am very happy and proud to share the accolades MAHE received for this innovative paperless examination practices. In 2022, we received MQH Best Practices Competition Award under the Education category, endorsed by IMC Ramakrishna Bajaj National Quality Award Trust. Later in the year 2023, MAHE received the prestigious Times Higher Education Asia Award for the Best Technological or Digital Innovation Award for this EPad based examination system. Thank you.